I come in, please?
Yes.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Gayatri Dhananjay Singh More. I am from Devgaon, district Amravati, and I have completed my graduation from BSc Agriculture from Marotra Vadapade College of Agriculture, Yavatmal. And I currently live in Garginagar, Amravati.
Why you choose that particular field?
Because I have enthusiastic about agriculture, and my father have large amount of large scale of a farm. So I decided to development in farm.
Tell me about your family background.
I come from supportive family. My father is a farmer, my mother is homemaker, and my younger brother is a student pursuing a BSc in computer science.
Okay, tell me something about the present situation of the farmers.
Um, Present situation of farmer which what type of farmers which are all, because both farmers have irrigation system or not, so which type
Because
of
of the bad irrigation, they are doing that.
many farmers have launched various schemes like irrigation system, drip irrigation system, and they have idea about which type of crop are grown in their farm, and the small scale farmers like 2 to 3 acres of farm, they are not purchase any irrigation system, so they totally depend on climate, and their situation is totally um, dependent nature. Yes.
Actually, you told us you completed your graduation in agriculture. Why you want to work in a farm? Why you
I'm not working around. I have 4 year graduation. So in 3 years only theoretical knowledge, and fourth year it a field work. So perform demonstration, and demo provided by teachers. So I go to the village, and in the front of farmers, told about that, like a seed germination. Firstly, seed germination for there is a liquid or any um, any solid solid thing, so apply to the seeds, and then after you sow the seeds. So this type of small demo.
what you want to become in your life?
What?
What you want to become in your life?
I want to become a successful businesswoman in agriculture field, because my father had large scale of farm. So I decided to build a poly house in my farm, and exotic vegetable and flowers also.
Okay, tell me the new equipments used in farm, agriculture sector.
Like a drone, you know about drone. It's useful for fertilizer, but in India, no farmer has used there because it's costly. Um,
What do you think in India, particularly in agriculture field, what's new thing you want to come in this field?
yes, it's drone and artificial intelligence also include in the agriculture, because in the development of new technologies, and like mist fogger system also are available, and in polyhouse also available for the control of climate. Using this polyhouse, you can control environment, and grow more crops and production high.
Tell me some seasonable crops names.
So, was in summer, crops like watermelon, maize, and I mean, musk melon. And in rainy season, like soybean or cotton and pigeon pea. And winter crops like gram, sesame also.
You have enough knowledge about the agriculture sector. That's why you decided to
Yes.
for that.
Tell me what's your weakness?
My weakness is overthinking.
What think you overthink most?
About career and other personal.
Actually, you have enough farm to work. You
Yes,
have
yes,
decided already to work in
yes.
farm and if your business is also decided. Why worry about your career?
That's I prepare for examination of agriculture field officer.
Yes.
So first my
Yes.
short term goal is to earn money. Then my long term goal is to become a successful businesswoman.
What advice do you like to give for farmers or other
Mm.
farmers
Mm.
as a farmer?
Various advice I give to farmers, such as, but they are not accept that because farmer is not able to learn from student, because I have experience
Okay,
in
the
I have
officer that when
up,
they
yes,
agree with
yes,
you.
yes.
So after that you can advise them.
Advice and use of matlab reduce use of fertilizer and choose organic farming.
You have to change any kind of uh, things in the farm. You have to change any kind of things in the farm, like growing crops and all.
Yes, uh, because it's beneficial for more production and quality of crops. There are I decide to crop in my field, like orange and maize.
There is two type of fertilizer. Which types of fertilizer the farmer would use?
Fertilizer, because first NPK is a fertilizer. NPK is a primary fertilizer. Both farmers are used because you use nitrogen, so it is useful to your crop. Like if your crop is suffering from yellowing condition, so it's good for that crop, and your crop quality is improved, and yellowing of crop is yellowing of crop is green color leaves.
Nitrogen is good for the plant, but it's good for the soil.
Yes, because it's used to 1 second. One.
So okay, tell me how
It's improve root aeration.
one can maintain the quality of soil.
So
Are there any techniques in farming?
yes, Yes, soil testing is a one technique because you test in this technique of soil test using soil testing you decide to how the quality of your soil in your farm. Your soil pH is depend because mostly at acidic pH. So you use gypsum and calcium carbonate to normal the neutral the soil.
Can lands matter for the growing crops?
Yes, land matters, but not a large amount of lands matter. It's depend on climate, soil position, preparation, and irrigation also. And you choose seed, which type of seed you sown in their land. It is depend on.
Will climate suddenly change?
Yes.
What you need to protect your plants?
Plants. It's a natural condition, so I don't have any idea because no any condition apply there. If you have built poly house, then you control environment because in poly house there are all technologies are included such as foggers, mist, um, and other system like cooler and heater. So they perform their work for better condition of crop.
But it's much more costly.
Yes, but government provides subsidies for the poly house for the farmers, but many farmer don't take any. They,
What do you think? What is difference between Indian farmer and other country farmer?
Indian farmers are they grown their crop in soil, and other farmers are grown their hydroponics crops like mati vina sheti. They do that, and their quality and also productivity are increased due to using their new technology like hydroponic crops, and it is beneficial because there is no land, so in your garden area and your um, so you build their system.
In that period times, all things are increasing their values, like lands. Then when you compare 2011, into that particular the lands are easily available on 200 to 300 rupees per field. Now that particular value has increased. But when we say about crops, that particular things are same. What do you think?
If you are buying land or what?
The value of crops are not increasing.
It's depend on farmer because you decide to which type of crop you sown in their farm.
That means the value of crop, the prices of crops
Yes,
are the same.
same.
The land,
But that other all things
all
are
things
increasing.
are increased in price.
Yes. No, cannot understand question properly.
Land is as it is land. There is no working land.
Yes.
Other things are growing fastly in cost. Or the prices of the crop are not increased more than the
Still remains same.
they are little bit same or increase in the little bit you can say.
But
Prices of other things are increased
Increase.
fastly,
Yes.
rapidly. So what do you
Expect
think about that?
but you sown the quality of crop, so it's a high price in market. But there is exotic vegetable like broccoli and lettuce. It's good for so and
You tell me what is your progress after joining this Oxford Institute?
um, after joining this Oxford spoken English classes, um, I I joined this class for personality development and communication skill because I have need improvement. Because after joining this class, I have confidence to speak in front of people, and day to day I build my confidence.
At home, what you do? You do practice at home for improving your communication.
Yes, but little bit because no any person to talk with me in English, so
Okay, most of the person around us, they don't know about the English language. They
yes.
do not speak English language. They speak in their regional language of their mother tongue,
Yes.
local language, we can say. So, what advice do you like to give them about English language?
English language is a global language and it's very important to build your career, and it's a very important language because in day to day life English as a English language it's very important. Mm,
What you want to do at your free time?
mm, what? Repeat question.
What you want to do at your free time?
Free time. Yes. I have no free time because I go to the lab and my prepare for AFO examination, and my examination in last August or first week of September. So I prepare for that, and after that my MSCIT class is here, and then after MSCIT class I go to join Oxford classes, and
Which
then
subject
I
you most like?
agriculture subject, most like logical reasoning, but agriculture subject in which belong to horticulture subject, my favorite,
Why do you like that subject?
because it's knowledge about fruits and flowers, and my my future business exotic flowers and fruits. So
Can you give any advice to the farmer,
which type of
to the field, to the produce better quality of crops?
yes, I was said that reduce the use of fertilizer and grow organically fruits and flowers and other vegetables, because organic farming is the, eco-friendly, because in organic farming you use vermicompost, compost, and other straw like wheat straw and um, soybean straw. So and it's not use of fertilizer, so it's beneficial for uh, not use of chemical.
Organic farming, we don't produce much of product.
Yes.
Quantity of product are reduced.
Yes,
What do you
because it's reduce the use of fertilizer, because in daily if mostly farmer use fertilizer, and fertilizer is costly, and you reduce the use of fertilizer. Farmer reduce the use of fertilizer and follow organic farming. It's beneficial because it's chemical free.
What is the one thing you cannot do without?
Repeat question.
One thing or any person you cannot live without.
Without. Yes, no,
No.
no any person with me.
So, okay, suppose we have free time of 2 hours. What will you do with that
Mm.
2 hours?
I saw movie and listen to music and other my drawing sketch also.
Which kind of movie do you like?
Sometime web series and motivational movies.
Which movie is your favorite?
Three Idiots.
Why?
Because
Can't see
uh,
3 idiots in 2 hours.
yes, because it's interesting, entertaining, and it gives a message to me, us also. But
Which kind of message?
prefer excellence, not success.
So, okay, tell me what is the importance of agriculture sector in Indian economy?
First, agriculture is the most important sector because due to agriculture, you take a food because no any crop by farmer, so you don't eat anything.
So, thank you. Your interview is over.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.